Class 3 Computer Chapter 2 GUI Operating System and Introduction. Topic: Answer check of Chapter 1 review test. Number 2, User interface and types of user interface. Number 3, Windows 10. Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 2, GUI Operating System and Introduction. But before that, let me show and tell the answers of the review test of chapter 1. I hope you have written it in your copy. Now get ready to check it. Each question carries 1 mark. So let's look at question number 1. It is about circling the odd one out. So let's look at question number sub question 1. There are 4 sets of words given here: keyboard, printer, mouse, scanner. The odd one here is printer. So circle printer. Why? Because it is an output device and all other devices are input devices. Question 2, speakers, headphones, digital camera and monitor. Here the odd one is digital camera because it is an input device and all other devices are output devices. Question 3, PU, ALU, MU and CU. Here PU is the odd one because there is no unit called PU in the CPU. Only there are 3 main units, that are ALU, MU and CU. Question number 4, input, process, software, output. Here the odd one out is software because in an IPU cycle the computer works in 3-step process where input is the first step, process is the second step and output is the third step. There is no place for software. Number 5, LED, LCD, CRT, PRT. Here also the odd one here is PRT because we learnt about 3 types of monitors: LED monitors, LCD monitors and CRT monitors. There is no PRT monitor. Now question number 2, fill in the blanks using the hints given below. So the first question under this exercise is: the CPU contains the ALU. The answer is CPU. Question number 2, a dash lets us point at different things on the computer screen. The answer for this question is mouse. Question number 3, a dash helps us to get printout or hard copy. Printer is the right answer. Question number 4, the control unit is used to control the flow of information inside the CPU. The answer for this question is control unit. Question number 5, a dash can be used to store information. DVD is the answer. I hope you all have done your answer checking. Honestly, you can write your marks because each question carries 1 mark. So out of 10, how much you scored, you can make a note of it at the top. And now let's start our new chapter. We know that a computer is complete only when both hardware and software in place. So how do they work together? Here is where a special a special set of programs called operating system manages all the jobs, tasks for a computer and makes it run. Without operating system, they are just hardware and software parts. They are not called a working computer. So, a computer cannot work on its own. It needs an operating system or OS. There are many operating systems available in the market. Windows, Mac, Linux are some popular operating systems. So, what have we understood from this introduction? That operating system is a special set of programs that manages all the tasks of a computer and makes it run. It acts as a link between the user and the computer. This link is called the interface or user interface. Now let's learn about the types of user interface. There are two main types of user interface. Who is a user? The one who works on the computer. So there are two types of user interface. Number one is command line interface or CLI, and number two is graphical user interface or GUI. Now let's know what is CLI. CLI is the early interface available in the computer with the computers, where computer users used text-based commands using the keyboard to instruct the computer, to tell the computer to work. DOS, Fox Pro are some CLI operating systems. You can see on the monitor, this is how the screen used to look like with the command line interface. There were no pictures or no, you cannot understand what is being shown here if you don't know how to give commands through text. But when you look at the second one, the graphical second type of user interface, that is graphical user interface, you see it's more interactive. It allows the graphical user interface operating system. A computer user could interact with the computers through pictures, graphics. Means the user do not have to remember the commands but can simply click on the icons, pictures on the screen to do any kind of task. For this, the user only needs a pointing device such as mouse. Windows is the most popular GUI operating system. So which of the two operating systems looks easy to operate for you? Obviously, the GUI, because it is more user friendly. One with a computer user with little knowledge of computers can also use the computer for their work very easily. So in this chapter, we are going to learn about Windows 10 operating system. What is Windows 10 operating system? It is an operating system developed by the world's leading software company, Microsoft. That is why it is also called as MS Windows. It got its name Windows because its interface or link resembles or similar to a glass window through which we can see and have different views. Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows and was released on 29th July 2015 and provides with a complete set of new features, pictures, themes and icons. We will learn about these topics in our next class. That's all for today. Read the chapter and write the question answer sent in PDF.